Hello everyone. Do you ever dream of becoming a star? The book I have today is called The Lion Roars, a story by Gibbons. The Cup. For most of the boys Jimmy knew, it was books or football. But Jimmy loved books and football. Of course, most of the books he read were about football. Jimmy's mom and dad were always telling him to read. Books give you an education, they said. You can make something of yourself, be a lawyer, a doctor, a teacher, or you could have your own shop or factory. Just think, Jimmy dreamed. One day I might drive up to my house with my mom and dad, my brother and sister, and walk inside like somebody important in my well-cut suit. But Jimmy knew that football gives you an even bigger dream. Football can make you into a star so big that people will read about you in the newspaper and see you on TV. And Jimmy played football every spare minute he had. He played after school. Sometimes he went down to the beach with his friends, and they used the palm trees as goalposts. They all played in their bare feet. They only had one pair of shoes each, and they had to keep those smart. Then they would race through the waves and splash each other. Jimmy played everywhere, every place, and every time he could. He would have played in his sleep if he could. He played with joy in his heart and magic in his toes. Jimmy played with pride too. He was proud to be African. In Jimmy's schools, there were books about all the great footballers born in Africa. He knew their names off by heart. Roger Milla and Patrick Vieira, Samuel Eto'o and Patrice Evra, Demba Ba and Didier Drogba. There was music in their names and in the names of the great African national teams. The Elephants, the Panthers, the Eagles, the Lions. Jimmy wanted to wear the all-white kit of the Lions of Senegal one day. Every day he imagined himself running out onto the pitch in front of thousands of fans, hearing them chant his name. Jimmy! Jimmy Diop! It was a wonderful dream, but Jimmy couldn't think how it might come true. Today Jimmy was playing with his friend Demba. Hey Jimmy! Demba shouted. You might be our star player, but you need to cut out the daydreams. Jimmy jogged over to join in. Demba was right. He was their star player. All the boys his own age wanted him in their team. With Jimmy on side, they would win for sure. But he was always looking over at the older boys, like his brother Nuru. They would never let him play with them. When the game ended, Jimmy went over to stand by his sister Julia, who was watching Nuru play. They always waited for Nuru so the three of them could walk home together. Did you win? Julia asked Jimmy. I won, Jimmy said. I scored 4 goals. I always win. I'm too good for the boys my age. Nuru came over to take a throw-in. Hey, when are you going to let me play on your team? Jimmy asked. You? One of Nuru's friends said. You belong with the little kids. Come back when you've grown a bit, another one added. Yes, go and play with the other runts. Who are you calling a runt? Jimmy asked. I'm no runt. I'm a lion. I can play better than any of you. That made them all laugh. You are not a lion, they teased. You are just a cub, and the smallest cub at that. Go back to the babies, runt. Their laughter and cheers made Jimmy's neck hot with anger. He was better than all the little kids put together and had more skill than any of the older boys, even Nuru. He would show them if only they would give him a chance. Julia bent forward and whispered in his ears. You come with me, she said. But I want to play with them, Jimmy protested. You will, Julia said. So, you need to practice first. Jimmy pulled a face. Don't do that, Julia said. It will stick and you'll look like a grumpy little boy all your life. Demba was still around, so they played attack and defense with Demba in goal and Julia in defense. Jimmy was in attack. So, do you think that Jimmy will ever make it as a football star and reach his dream? And What advice do you think that Julia will give Jimmy? Perhaps that he needs stronger muscles in his arms and legs? But what about his brain? What about his thinking skills? Can we all get better at what we love if we have better thinking skills? Until next time.